Taylor's scientific management. Scientific management. Scientific management refers to an important stream of one of the earlier schools of management thought, called classical thought. Before discussing the management principles, let us go through the working atmosphere of factories in the earlier years of Industrial Revolution. Lack of professionalism and personal judgment leads to an autocratic atmosphere in the factories. In this scenario, F. W. Taylor emerged as the father of scientific management. He proposed scientific management as opposed to rule of thumb. He broke up human activity into small parts and found out how it could be done effectively, in less time and with increased productivity. F. W. Taylor, the father of scientific management. Frederick Winslow Taylor was an American mechanical engineer who sought to improve industrial efficiency. In 1874, he started his career as an apprentice mechanist and later became the president of American Society of Mechanical Engineers. Taylor thought that scientific analysis of the work would be the best way to do it and to increase productivity. In 1911, he published his findings as the Principles of Scientific Management, and which is considered as one of the greatest contributions in the management history. F. W. Taylor. Important incidents in life. 1856, March 20th. Born at Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, United States. 1874. Started his career as an apprentice mechanist. 1883. Graduated from Stevens Institute of Technology in Mechanical Engineering. 1884. Executive at Midville Steel Company. 1895. Introduction of piece rate system. 1898. Joined with Bethlehem Iron Company. 1900. Professor at Tuck School of Business. 1902. Elliott Crescent Medal. 1906. President of American Society of Mechanical Engineers. 1911. Publishing of the Principles of Scientific Management. 1915, March 21st, death.